Hey everybody, what's up? In this video, I'm just going to show you guys really quick how to remove these door blades on an Audi C5. So basically, there's a screw right here, and there's a screw right here. Just Phillips heads, you're going to want to undo those. Then, underneath the door, there are, I want to say 4 T25, I believe, Torx head screws that you're also going to undo. And then these door blades right here should just come right out. If you want to clean them, I would recommend using something like this. If you don't want to go through taking them off, you could just mask off your doors and go for it with this, and then buff it out once you're done. But that should, in theory, get rid of all of these spots that we have running along all the door blades and make them look a little more fresh. Thanks for taking the time to check out Audi DIY. If you want to see more content, help me build sicker cars, and eventually work my way up to a Lamborghini, please like and subscribe, leave a comment.